The 20s are the most fun years of your life. This is when you finish school, start your first job, get your first taste of independence, and also when you'll probably make the dumbest financial decisions of your entire life. In today's video, we will discuss the 5 dumb money mistakes that everyone makes in their 20s. We'll talk about why they happen, and most importantly, what you can do about it. Let's get into it. Number 1. Not investing for the future. If you're in your 20s, chances are you have a decent amount of student loans, car loans, or credit card debt. Maybe you've been saving up for a while to buy a house or start a family, and maybe you're just starting to think about retirement. Whatever your situation may be, it's important to start investing for the future as soon as possible. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. If you invest $1,000 at age 20, by age 60, that $1,000 will turn into over $1 million. But if you wait until age 32 to invest that same $1,000, it'll only be worth around $400,000. Even if you don't have a lot of money to invest, even $50 a month can make a big difference over time. With compound interest, your $50 a month becomes $12,000 in 40 years. Albert Einstein even said that compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. He said, "He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it." So don't make the mistake of not investing for the future. Start early and watch your money grow. Number 2. Buying luxury items. Buying luxury items is one of the biggest money mistakes that people make in their 20s. Whether it's a luxury car, a designer handbag, or expensive jewelry. These items are often the first things to go when someone's finances are in trouble. Not only that, but the cost of maintaining these luxury items can quickly add up. A luxury car, for example, will require expensive maintenance and insurance. Designer clothing and handbags can be damaged and are often not worth the price tag. And expensive jewelry can be lost or stolen. It's also important to remember that luxury items depreciate like any other asset. The second you drive that new car off the lot, it loses a significant chunk of its value. That designer handbag you paid so much for will likely only be worth a fraction of what you paid for it a few years down the line. Instead of buying luxury items, focus on building a strong financial foundation. Invest in yourself and your future by building your career and saving for retirement. This will provide you with a sense of security and freedom that will last a lifetime. Number 3. Keeping up with the Joneses. Trying to keep up with the Joneses is a recipe for financial disaster. When you're constantly trying to one-up your neighbor, you're essentially saying that your happiness and well-being are dependent on the things that you own. This is a dangerous mindset to be in, because it means that you're always going to be chasing after something that you don't have. And there's no such thing as having enough. There's always going to be someone who has something nicer than what you have. So instead of trying to keep up with the Joneses, focus on what you really want and need. And don't be afraid to say no to things that you can't afford. Remember, true wealth is not just about the things you own, but also about the experiences you have, the relationships you build, and the peace of mind that comes from knowing that you're financially secure. Number 4. Lifestyle inflation. As you earn more money, your lifestyle should reflect that, right? Well, not exactly. A common mistake that people make in their 20s is to increase their spending as their income rises. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it can quickly derail your financial plans. For example, let's say you get a raise at work and your salary goes from $50,000 to $60,000. Instead of using that, it's extra $10,000 to save for the future or pay off debt. You might find yourself spending it on things like a nicer apartment, a new car, or more expensive clothing. Before you know it, you're back to living paycheck to paycheck, and that's not where you want to be. So what can you do to avoid lifestyle inflation? One way is to budget your expenses and track your spending. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Another thing you can do is to automate your savings so that a certain percentage of your paycheck is automatically transferred into a savings or investment account. This way, you won't be tempted to spend the money that you are already planning to save. By taking these steps, you'll be able to keep more of the money you earn and set yourself up for financial success in your 20s and beyond. Number 5. Not learning about money. One of the biggest mistakes you can make in your 20s is not learning about money. Personal finance is one of those topics that many people don't have the opportunity to learn about in school. As a result, they enter adulthood without the knowledge and skills necessary to manage their finances effectively. Without understanding how money works, you're more likely to make impulsive spending decisions, fall into debt, and struggle to achieve your financial goals. Learning about personal finance is essential for making smart decisions about saving, investing, and spending your money. It can help you avoid costly mistakes and set yourself up for financial success. Fortunately, there are plenty of resources available to help you learn about money. There are books, podcasts, and websites that can teach you everything from the basics of budgeting to more advanced concepts like investing. You can also speak with a financial advisor who can help you develop a plan to reach your financial goals. Don't let not learning about money hold you back. Take the time to educate yourself so that you can make the most of your financial opportunities. Your 20s are a time of change and growth, and the decisions you make now will have a lasting impact on your financial future. Avoid these 5 money mistakes, and you'll be setting yourself up for success. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to see more such videos on your favorite finance channel, Republic of Wealth. See you in the next one.